Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to change colors background to a custom one in Samsung Galaxy S22. Of course we have a few default one, 3 or 4, but we can also use a custom background from our gallery, for example. So we have to go to contacts. We need to have our contact saved on our device, not on our SIM card to change it. So let's change colors background for Mr. Morlock. Edit option, a few more, and we have color backgrounds here. Right now we have one of the default ones, but we can add something from our gallery. So select from gallery and let's use double Morlocks. Yes. Set as background, save, and now we will have our custom background set up. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.